rub the toothbrush against the soap and take the thick foam, and we're going to apply, do a little bit of rubbing. Never underestimate the impact of the soap. So I'm going to press the dot just to match the line that I'll connect. Dot. So I'm just following the exact shape of my eyebrows. Then dot here, dot. Just like that. So just holding it lightly, then you trace, just connecting the dots. Go for this if you don't have this thing like this. Then you're going to final, and then let us draw. Just to fill our brows. Go to Marachi. Allow the setting spray to set before you apply foundation. When the setting spray is set, apply foundation. Apply setting spray on your sponge before you apply foundation. Do not swipe, but press in your foundation. Avoid applying foundation directly under your eye. Don't apply a lot of concealer, just a dot is enough. Allow your concealer to set for some minutes before you start to blend it. Directly on your arms before you apply directly to the face. Just placing where you wanted to place it. To apply this brown, start to your nose. Rub like this. Blend like crazy. Blend. Apply concealer on the bridge of your nose. To apply concealer on your glabella. Dip your blender on the setting powder and blow it before you set your under eye. This is for a smooth or a flawless under eye. You see? And blow. Then you set on your glabella. Here to here, then you just like this. Then you press in. Then you press in. You can grab your lipstick. Lipstick is not only for the lips. Don't waste your lipstick, okay? Don't waste your lipstick. Apply it here. Take your beauty blender, dab it, then you smile. No, can be a lipstick. Your concealer can be your lipstick. Your concealer can be your foundation. Concealer is not only for the your concealer can be your lipstick. With this to just set the whole face. Where was not set, you need to set where was not set, so that the setting spray we need to make our face. Extend it with your finger.
It is
Vaseline. Back of the brush. This
You're breaking my shoes, Marty.